is Boolean, some verify of taking the pin number as parameter. Now this pin number is going to return RETURN, return Z. Means this verify method is going to return Z value. So Z value is basically false. Now here I'll use one switch. I'll use switch. End of switch. I'll pass this pin number as parameter. Pin number as parameter. Here I'll take 1111. Break. I'll take the pin numbers 2222. So break. Case 3333. Some break. Case 444 and break. If the pin number matched with 111, I'll make this Z value is true. I'll make it. I'll make that Z value as true. If it is pin number matched with this, Z is equal to 2. Same here. Z is equal to 2. Same here. Z is equal to 2. So the logic meaning is nothing but whenever pin number matched with any one, 111 or 222 or 3333 or 444, Z value will become true. If not, Z value will be false. If that verify method returns false, pin number not available. If the verify method returns true, pin number is available. That is the logic. All of you understood this class now? Right. Okay. Now go for main class first. Go for main class. This one. Demo bank. Let us go for main class. I'm going with main class. Under P2, I'll take one class. So demo bank. One main class. I will take it. Now, import P1 dot star. Import Java dot util dot star. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot in. So here I am writing one while loop. I am writing while true. I am writing end of loop. The loop is unlimited loop because true is there. Okay, right. I'll take one variable int count. I will take it. This count variable is nothing but whenever the pin number is not matched, we are going to increment the count. When the count reaches to 3, we are going to stop the loop. That is the logic I'm going to write. So here, first one, enter the pin number. System dot out dot println. Enter the pin number. So pin number will be integer only normally. Int pin number is equal to s dot next int. So pin number came. What is the first rule here now, sir? The pin number must be 4 digits. So here roughly I'll take one condition like this. If the pin number greater than or equal to 1111 and pin number less than or equal to 9999. I'll take one pin number. So I'm taking one condition that should be in between 111. Actually, this is not the logic actually. In real time, we'll check in the database and come. Okay, right. For a demo purpose, 1111 is a 4-digit number only, no? 999 is a 4-digit number, roughly, right? From 111 to 999, if it is available, that is 4-digit, I'm saying. Okay, right. If it is in between this one, that is 4-digit. If not, you can say invalid pin number. System dot out dot println. You can say invalid pin number. You can say. Whenever it is invalid pin number, control will come to else, message will come. Here I am going to increment the count. So this count value I am going to increment. Suppose you entered this pin number invalid for 3 times, the count will become 3. Means here at one stage, count equal to 3. At one stage, count will become 3. If one stage count becomes 3, you can put a message. System dot out dot println here. Transaction blocked. Sorry. Transaction blocked. Because 3 choices given, blocked. You can terminate the program. Whenever you want to terminate the program, simply you can stop the while loop. To stop the while loop, we can write break also. Yes or no? Na? Break. This is stop the loop. The loop can be stopped with break. Whether it is working or not. See that. Run it. Enter the pin number 123 is not 4 digits. Invalid pin number. Enter the pin number 23456. It is not 4 digits. It's a 5 digits. Invalid pin number 234. Invalid. Transaction blocked. So 3 times completed. No. So the loop is under our control. Okay, right. Now enter the pin number correctly now. 4 digits you enter. Means what? If the pin number is in between 1111 to 999, if the pin number is validated, if you entered pin number in 4 digits, then check the pin number available in 1111 or ... Available or not, you have to check it. How will check it now, sir? We written one program now, sir, just now. Check pin number. We written. So we have to call this method and give the pin number. If the verify method gives false, pin number not available. If it is true, pin number available. To call this method, check pin number. You have to create object. Check pin number. CPN is equal to new check pin number. Check pin number. So CPN dot verify of pin number. This verify method will return one Boolean value. Boolean value. If the pin number entered correctly in 4 digits, you have to check the pin number available or not. So Z value true or false. You can write here if of Z. If of Z means Z is Boolean value only. If true or if false. If it is false, control will come to else and say that system dot out dot println not exist. Means not available. Whenever the pin number do not exist, again count plus plus. Whether pin number invalid or pin number not available also, we are incrementing the count. Now let me check this. I entered one pin number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a 4 digits, but not available. Pin number do not exist. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin number do not exist. 2, 1, 2, 1. Pin number do not exist. So combination now like this. 1, 2, 3. Invalid pin number. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not exist. Means this is invalid. This is valid, but not available. That's the meaning actually. So 2, 3, 4. In all together, 3 times choice over. So transaction blocked. All of you understood this? Right. So this is the 2 lines. If validation, verification failed for 3 times, then display the message as a transaction and terminate the program. Transaction blocked, terminate the program. What we are doing now? Right. If validation verification successful, then display the following choice. You want to do withdraw now, you want to do the deposit. So here, suppose if it is true, pin number available, then show the choice. So here the choice. System dot out dot println here. So withdraw operation, deposit operation, system dot out dot println, enter the choice. Int choice is equal to s dot next int. Again, switch is coming here. Switch of choice. End of switch. Here case 1 for withdraw. Case 2 for deposit. If it is invalid, you can keep it as invalid choice. System dot out dot println invalid. This is the switch here. Whether you may select one withdraw or you may select deposit. Sir, here you not written default. No, sir. Why? Why I not written default means Z will be true or false. If it is not matched here, in default I must write false. But already Z is false only. So no need to write default. Point. So default is optional, not mandatory. Okay, right. Now, case 1. I'm constructing the case 1. Let us see the case 1. Enter the amount. Enter the amount. System dot out dot println enter the amount to withdraw. Amount to withdraw. How much amount you want to withdraw? Some int a1 is equal to s dot next int. Here. What are the rules now? The amount must be greater than 0 and multiples of 100. Else invalid amount. The amount must be greater than 0 and amount must be multiples of 100 equal to 0. The meaning, whenever the amount modulo divided by 100 remainder should be 0. Then only multiple of 100. Right. Else you can say invalid amount. System dot out dot println invalid amount. Look here. Whenever I entered the choice withdraw, whenever I enter the amount is 123, sorry, choice case 123 I entered. 123 greater than 0 true. 123 modulo divided by 100 remainder 23. 23 equal to 0 false, else block. Invalid amount. Now break means switch will be stopped, while loop will not be stopped. Yes or no? Nah. Louder I want. Suppose if we say break here, this break is inside the switch only. Switch will be stopped. While loop will not be stopped. See there. Pin number I am entering correctly. Whenever I enter correctly, choice. Withdraw is the choice. 123 invalid amount. Whenever invalid amount, again the pin number is coming. Sir, invalid means terminate the program, sir. Why you are repeating? I must terminate means I must stop the loop. From the switch, I have to stop the loop. The switch, I have to stop the loop. From the switch, whenever I want to stop the loop, see there. For this while loop, I am giving one label. Label means some name. Like this. In Java, for while loop, you can give one label here. Terminology. Simply, while loop is identified with XYZ name. According to programming terminology, label. I given one label to while. Labeled loop, you can say. Sir, if you give like this, what is the advantage now? Now, in this switch case, break I am saying no. If I write break, only switch will be stopped. But I will say break XYZ, I will say. Break XYZ means stop the loop, not switch. Go and stop the loop. Loop stop means switch will be stopped. Whether it is working or not. See there. Enter the pin number correctly. 123, sorry. Withdraw 123, terminated. So the new thing is we can give one label to loop. We can stop the loop by using one label. So this statement you have to add like this. Break XYZ. Stop the loop. Same thing in the default also. You can write break. Sir, can we write break for default? You can write. But your C trainers, other language trainers, they will not write. But you can write. Break XYZ. Not only stopping the switch, you can stop the loop. All have understood this labeled loop? Okay. Now invalid amount, okay. If it is valid amount here, if the amount is validated successfully, then create object for withdraw class. Now withdraw class object will come. Sir, whenever I want to create object for withdraw, I must write balance class. I must write transaction. Then I must write withdraw. Okay, right. Now I am writing balance. See there. Now I am writing balance. Right click on P1, new one class, BALANCE, balance. In this balance, I am taking one variable, public double balance is equal to some 2000 I am keeping. Balance is equal to 2000. So I am using one method, public double is the return type. get balance, RETURN, return balance. So whenever you want to see the balance, you can create object for balance and call this method. So balance amount will come. So that is this subclass. Now create one interface, that is transaction. You create. So right click on P1, new, one interface, that is transaction, one interface. So inside this interface, public balance P is equal to new balance. References concept is there, no? In references concept, maybe customer contact, customer address, something I written. Employee, that only same. You can create one object inside. Nothing but interface is holding non-primitive data type variable. B is type balance, non-primitive data type variable. This one automatically static. This is automatically final because that is variable only. Now, here one abstract method I will take. So public abstract return type is void, non-return type, void process of int amount. This is one abstract. One variable, one abstract. One abstract method, one non-primitive data type variable. This is non-primitive variable declared by the type balance. Balance is a class now. It is a non-primitive data type variable. According to diagram, now it is implemented to withdraw. Whenever it is implemented, it has to take the method and write the body. Okay, right. Now write withdraw. Right click on P1, new class, withdraw, implements from transaction. Whenever it is implements from transaction, take the method and write the body. Public void process int amount, like this. One point you have to observe here, withdraw class implemented from transaction. What are the members available in transaction? They are all available to withdraw. So what are available in the transaction now? Variable B is there. So variable B is available. Method already came. Okay, right. Then what is the concept here? Here, if the amount is validated successfully, then create object for withdraw class and pass this amount as parameter to process method. Okay, right. So go to main class, create object for withdraw, go to main class. Here, create object for withdraw, because when the amount is validated, withdraw WD is equal to new withdraw, create object, call the method WD dot process of amount. I am passing this amount as parameter to this process. Whenever I pass this amount as parameter to process, what it has to do? See there. Through process method, check the amount is less than balance or not. Through process method, you have to check. So through process method, you have to check. Sir, through process method, how can I check it, sir? Here. Through process method, how can I check less than the balance or not? I can check it, I cannot check it now. We can check it because this object reference available here. How many of you got this idea? Anybody raise your hands? This balance reference available here. Through this, I can access balance. Through this, I can access balance. So through implements, the B is available. If amount is less than B dot balance. This amount less than balance. How I am accessing balance now? Through B. What is B now? Through implements, the B will come. What is B now? Balance object. I am accessing BAL. That idea will come or not, only assignment. Sir, I not yet thought, sir, this one. Look here. If it is true, okay. If not, the message is system dot out dot println insufficient fund. Else it is insufficient fund. Suppose it is correct, means amount is less than balance, means withdraw amount, balance amount, and transaction successful. If it is less than, withdraw amount. So system dot out dot println. So this is withdraw amount. Withdraw amount is amount only. So balance amount means B dot balance is equal to B dot balance minus amount. You have to subtract it, no? Right. This balance amount minus means 2000 minus some value. It is updated here. So call that method. So system dot out dot println. Here balance amount is equal to B dot get balance. You can say transaction successful. Transaction successful. You can say. Right. All of you understood this logic? Says or no to me? Right. So let me run this once, whether it is working or not. PIN number correctly you entered. Choice will come. Withdraw. I entered some 12,000 I entered. 12,000 not there actually. 12,000 greater than 0. True. 12,000 modulo divided by 100. True. If it is true, pass this amount to process. Process amount 12,000 less than B dot balance 2,000. So 12,000 less than 2,000 false. Insufficient fund. Suppose I entered correct PIN number, withdraw. I am going with 1200. 1200 greater than 0. True. 1200 modulo divided by 100 remainder 0. True. It is a valid amount. Pass 1200 to process. Under process. Amount 1200 less than P dot balance 2000. True. Then display amount withdraw 1200. Balance is equal to balance minus 1200. 800. Answer is coming or not? All of you got it? Right. Here the concept is implementations, and through implementation you can take the references from another class. Now the same concept you have to type for your remaining part. Remaining means what? Sir, case 2. Case 2 is same, no? The amount must be greater than 0 or multiples of 100. Sir, here enter the amount. Enter the amount to deposit. Enter the amount for deposit. So system dot out dot println. Enter the amount for deposit. For deposit. int a2 is equal to s dot next int. Same. If that a2 greater than 0, a2 modulo divided by 100 equal to 0. Else it is invalid amount. System dot out dot print ln. This is one invalid amount. If it is valid amount, create object for here. If the amount is validated successfully, then create object for deposit class. Now you write a deposit class. Right click on P1, write deposit class, deposit, implements from transaction, write the body for the method. So public void process of int amount. Here no need to check the balance. Balance check is not needed. Directly deposit the cash. System dot out dot print ln amount deposited and amount deposited is equal to amount. P dot balance is equal to P dot balance plus amount. System dot out dot print ln balance amount is equal to here P dot get balance, here system dot out dot print ln. So transaction successful. So let me cross check. Now create object for deposit. Here deposit sub dp is equal to new deposit. Call the method dp dot process of amount. Right. All of you understood? Right. Okay. I am running the main class, total main class. Where is the main class? Open the main class and run it. Enter the PIN number correctly. Go for deposit. I'll enter some 12,000. Limit not there. It will be added. 12,000 plus 2,000. 14,000 is the balance amount. Suppose I entered invalid. Invalid will come anyway. 123 invalid. Some deposit machines will accept only multiples of hundreds, 200s, 500s like this. They'll accept. So deposit some 13,000. Right. Answer is getting no right. So here one warning is there. This one. This warning is close. So lastly, after the loop here, we can write s dot close. Right. All of you understood this program? Says or no to me? Right. How I written the program? Based on the question, what is needed, I am writing. That is a way of writing. Moreover, this kind of programs, you have to write in a single sitting, you have to write. Means once you sit in front of the system, 3 hours or 4 hours, you have to write it. That kind of practice you have to do, because software engineer has to practice sitting for more time. Then only thinking will come. So patience not there means mind will not work. We are all mind sellers. Logic writer means what? Daily one new thing should come. New thing not coming means you are dying. Day by day, threat is there. For me, idea not coming in, threat is there. Because of this reason, daily you must practice thinking something. Doing small program or big program, you must think something. Means you must keep some exercise on your mind. Then only the expansion will come. If you don't start thinking, suddenly it will not come. It takes a process. So this kind of things you try a single sitting actually. Right. Anyway, assignment solution. Bank transaction assignment. Solution. Project name I taken. Application. Bank transaction I taken. So under P1, I took check pin number. Check pin number dot Java. Under P1, I took some balance dot Java. Under P1, I took transaction dot Java. Under P1, I took withdraw dot Java. Under P1, I took deposit dot Java. Under P2, I took demo bank dot Java. This is one main class I taken, and the output I'll copy from here. Some output, demo output. Right. So this is the model. Okay, right. So make a review again, 5-10 minutes. You must make a review after copying this program or after typing. Better type the program once who not completed. You read this program, see it in the mobile phones or whatever the media you are watching. You see once and close it and type it. So try to type without errors once. Okay, right. Now, can I go forward now? Right, okay. So one more solution is there in inheritance, that is Ostler, day scholar. I will not write now. Monday I will write it in conclusion. Meanwhile, one topic is there. Let me finish off it. Please keep the door open, total open. Right. Thank you. So suffocation is coming. Now look here. So the last class I drawn already to you. I'm repeating anyway. Variables, methods, constructors, blocks. Classes, interfaces, and abstract classes. Where class construction almost closed. Whatever the components be declared within the class, they are automatically default. Here, variables, here, methods. Only concrete methods. Here, constructors, anyway. Here, blocks. When it comes to interface now, interface are automatically public. Here variables, but variables has rules. So automatically static, automatically final. This rule is not available for classes. We are taking methods. These methods are non-static abstract. These are non-static abstract. Here, constructors and blocks not available. Constructors and blocks. These two not available in the interface till now. Right. This is the diagram I drawn on that day already. I pasted also. This one. Right. Today's class is by Java 8 version. By Java 8 version, they newly brought some concrete methods came. From Java 8 version, interface started declaring with concrete methods. Newly, concrete methods came. Concrete methods into interface. It is a new feature of 8. Make it. Continuation. How many rules you written here? Rule number 11. Where interface we had extends. Now rule number 12. Interfaces can be declared with concrete methods. Interfaces can be declared with concrete methods from Java 8 version onwards. From Java 8 version onwards. Interfaces can be declared with concrete methods from Java 8 version onwards. From Java 8 version onwards. Right. Now siding you make concrete methods in interfaces. In bracket Java 8 new feature. The following concrete methods can be declared in interfaces. The following concrete methods can be declared in interfaces. 1. Static concrete methods. Default concrete methods. Private concrete methods. Static concrete methods, default concrete methods, private concrete methods. You can write static, you can write default, you can write private also. You can write. The static concrete methods came by Java 8 version. This concept came by Java 8 version. Default concrete methods came by Java 8 version. Private concrete methods came by Java 9 version. Very less people knows. They'll think it is a 8 only, not 8, it is a 9. Java 9 version. Private concrete method is Java 9. Remember for interview or system test, right? Many books, 40% materials in the real time. They written private concrete is 8 they written. The reason now already 22, Java 22 came. Which feature belongs to which also confusion will be there for many people who don't work properly. So we people will work because our duty is that only. Ameripate trainer duty is to check everything and be clear in ourselves and we reveal it. If you want something, you should come to our hub only. Whether working professional, software engineer also will watch this Ameripate only. So if you want something, he has to come here only. So we people duty is to check them. Even I also daily, whenever I find time, I am comparing and coming. So I'll check the classes, which method available in which newly added. Outline features 5, 6, the Oracle Corporation releases. But internally, many methods will come. Many method parameter also they'll change it. Return types they'll change. Like this, who will check means we core Java trainers will check. We'll open the classes from the library and we compare it. Like this statement, remember for interview, private concrete method is Java 9. Java 9 means year 2017 this is. 2017 year. Right. Now make a adding static concrete methods. The concrete methods. The concrete methods in interfaces which are declared with static keyword are known as static concrete methods. The concrete methods in interfaces which are declared with a static keyword are known as static concrete methods. These static concrete methods, the static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface and can be accessed with interface name. The static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface and can be accessed with interface name. Can be accessed with interface name. Right, like this. Suppose application demonstrating concrete methods. Under SR1, Under P1, I'm taking one interface. Demo purpose, always I'll take iTest. I'll take. Since many years, one abstract method is there. Void sum M1 of int. Since many years, one abstract method is there. From Java 8 version onwards, with one static keyword, one concrete method is coming. One concrete method is coming. One abstract method, one concrete method. So system dot out dot println static concrete M2 of B. So system dot out dot println the value B is equal to plus B. Like this. So one static concrete, one abstract. We cannot create object for iTest anyway. You have to go with implementation. Under P1, I class. Implements iTest. So construct body for abstract. Void M1 int A. Terminology implemented method. Implemented method M1 of A. The value A is equal to plus A. Implemented method means, you know the definition, no? The method which is taken from interface and constructed the body. Read the notes and come always, because next week many things are going to happen. If you don't take the base of your notes, it's not possible. So this also already from yesterday's notes only I'm taking. Next week and coming week will be very huge. 8 features will come. If you want to understand them, the previous notes you have to read once and come. Then only you can withstand. Under P2, I'll take one demo concrete roughly. I'm taking demo concrete. I'm taking. So create object for implementation. Import P1 dot star. Sir, I class OB equal to new I class. Implementation object. Call that method ob.m1. This is implemented method. If you want to call static method, you can call with interface name directly. These static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface and can be accessed with the interface name. Okay, right? Can be accessed with the interface name. So I test dot M2. The answer will come. All of you understood, right? Here one coding rule is there. Coding rule is here implements keyword is there. Through implements keyword, what are the members available in the iTest? They must be available to I class. Yes or no now? Do you remember inheritance normal chapter? P class static member also available to C class. C class dot static member we accessed. So the static method from ITest must be available to I class. So I can call with I class name. I can call it. Yes or no? Na? I class dot M2 of 13. So error. Remember the coding rule. Other not given permission. Java 8, he brought static concrete method to interface, but not given permission to implementation. Coding rule. Implementation classes. Simply you can say static concrete methods of interfaces not available to implementation classes, which means implementation classes cannot access static concrete methods of interfaces directly. Permission not available. Make it coding rule. Other not given permission. Why other not given permission? I'll reveal it. Okay, right. But in interview, they'll ask the coding rule. Static concrete methods of interface are not available to static concrete methods of interface are not available to implementation classes. Implementation classes, which means we cannot access static concrete methods of interface using implementation class name. The other not given permission. Static concrete methods of interface are not available to implementation classes, which means we cannot access static concrete methods of interface using implementation class name. Right. Now other given opposite. I must make one concrete method available to implementation. That only default concrete method. Then other given second option known as default concrete method. The concrete methods in interfaces which are declared with default keyword are known as default concrete methods. Default concrete methods. These default concrete methods are only non-static methods. Static default not available. These default concrete methods are only non-static methods. These are only non-static methods. These are only non-static methods. Means static default not available. It is a non-static default only. The meaning. Right. Look here. I am taking one default concrete in the interface. So in this interface now, I'm taking one more concrete, public default void M3 of int C. Sir, why you are writing public, sir? If you don't write public also, that is public only. This default methods are very popular actually in the library. Many are there. Java P, Java dot, util dot, uh, iterator, one interface. Can you see default? This default. So default methods came already. They are very powerful, and in your book also many will come. Java 8 full-fledged will come for you because our course runs up to almost 3 months. It will come. 3 months means already we are running sixth week. Sixth week means I'll count sessions. I'll count every week 5 sessions. I'll count according to me, with wasting of time 5 sessions. I'll count. So maybe this is sixth week means 6 5 30 sessions. I'll count. 30 means introduction. I'll remove around 8 9 sessions. I'll remove introduction. So almost 22 to 23 exact sessions we are running. But if you look the subject, very huge will be there. Huge content, almost number of pages also 50 to 60 pages will be there. Huge content will be there in my book. Huge content. So I'll count 5 sessions. Next week, full-fledged 8 and this all will come. Default configurations are very powerful actually. One more is predicate, I think. Java dot util dot function dot predicate. See there. Default methods are there, static methods are there. Can you see? Right. Abstract method, one they kept it. Remaining all default, static. So they started releasing interfaces with one abstract, remaining all defaults and statics. That are 8 features. So static and default. Sir, what is static? When you're writing, see there, when they're writing default, they're writing public here. Can you see this? So why public means, sir, they are automatically public. No, sir. If you don't write public also, that is public only. But after writing default, if you write static here, error will come. This combination not available. So default cannot be static. It is a non-static only. It's a concept. So M3 of C. Sir, non-static means it has to get the memory within the object, no? Right, make it coding rule. These default concrete methods will get the memory within the object of implementation class. This default concrete methods will get the memory within the object of implementation class, and these default concrete methods will get the memory within the object of implementation class and can be accessed with implementation object name. Implementation object name. Okay. Now, this can be accessed with object name directly. Directly ob.m3 of 13. So answer will come. One is implemented method abstract, one is static, one is default. Private separate program. Private is 9 feature. 9 features still not entered into library. Still no method they brought it private. For security reason, they brought the private and they halted there. They are not using private up to now in the interface. Right. Up to default static only they are using. So this program and small diagram will come on Monday. 10 minutes diagram to create visual. Just now I shown examples now. Many examples are going to come. When examples are coming, student has to create one visual. Then only you can understand. If visual not there, not possible because subject is not about beheading, no. Subject is about learning and presenting. Market says that at any cost you must learn, you should apply. If you try to behead, Java will not come. Not possible because very lengthy, you cannot behead. So that flavor visual should come. For that, I will draw one small diagram here, 10 minutes on Monday. After that, I'll introduce private. With that, interface will be ended. Using interface, I'll write multiple inheritance model on Monday. That's the target. Okay, right. So take a break.